President Donald Trump has just commuted the sentence of one of the most feared gang leaders in Chicago history. Larry Hoover is a name that carries serious weight in the streets of Chicago. Back in the day, he helped start a gang called the Gangster Disciples, a group connected to drugs, violence, and even murder. In 1973, Hoover was sent to prison for a murder in Chicago. But he didn't stop there. While behind bars, federal agents say he kept running the gang, calling the shots, making deals, and even ordering attacks from his prison cell. In 1997, things caught up with him. He was found guilty of running a massive criminal operation while locked up. The punishment? 6 life sentences. And not just any prison. He was sent to ADX Florence, a supermax prison in Colorado, known for housing some of the most dangerous people in America. Fast forward to now. And guess what? President Donald Trump decided to step in. He commuted Hoover's federal prison sentence. That means Hoover no longer has to serve those 6 life terms. But here's the catch. He still has to finish a 200-year state sentence for that 1973 murder. So no, he's not walking out of prison just yet. Hoover's family was emotional after hearing the news. His wife, Windy, said, "It's overwhelming. We've waited so long. We just hope this really goes all the way." His son, Larry Hoover Jr., believes his dad deserves a second chance. He's changed. He can help the community now, if people let him. Some people believe Hoover is now a different man. His lawyer, Jennifer Bongine, says he's not the same person he was decades ago. She argues he's been rehabilitated and no longer connected to crime. And it looks like that message reached Trump. Even celebrities like Kanye West and Chance the Rapper pushed for his release in recent years, but not everyone is happy. Ron Safer, the former prosecutor who helped put Hoover behind bars, says this is a huge mistake. "I believe in second chances," he said. "But some crimes are just too serious. When Hoover gave the word, people died." He believes Hoover doesn't deserve mercy because of the pain he caused. So what now? Hoover's federal time is gone, thanks to Trump. But he's still serving that 200-year state sentence in Illinois. That means it's now up to Governor J.B. Pritzker to decide if Hoover gets another break. His son is hopeful, saying, "The governor believes in second chances. My dad has done the work. He deserves it." If approved, Hoover could be moved from the Colorado Supermax to a prison in Illinois. Final thoughts. Music fades out. ***. This story is far from over. Some say Hoover is a reformed man who deserves to help the same communities he once hurt. Others say his crimes were just too big to forgive. What do you think? Should Larry Hoover be given a full second chance? Let's talk about it in the comments.